Kung ako pa pagpipiliin, mas preferred kong work sa office kasi yung environment, iba yung dating niya. Mas very professional kumpara sa bahay.
Work po sa office, far less distracted.
Mostly yung resources talaga nasa office at pag nasa bahay, yun lang yung comfort zone mo. So, baka hindi mo magawa yung best mo talaga sa work.
I'll be far less distracted and I won't be tempted to work from my bed.
Prefer work in the office because I get easily distracted and I get inspired when there's a lot of people, and also can increase collaborative activities, increase productivity.
Prefer ko sa office kasi pag sa bahay may tendency na hindi ako ma-focus dun sa trabaho, so hindi magiging productive yung araw. So para sa akin, work from office.
At lahat ng resources medyo mas efficient sa office at madali mahanap ka agad, at yung flow ng work, siyempre andyan kasama mo yung mga katrabaho mo, yung mga boss, mas mabilis yung process ng workflow. Kumpara sa bahay, minsan mas nakakatamad kasi siyempre ang environment mo, maraming distraction.
Para sa akin po, mas convenient yung work from home kasi makakagawa ka at the same time gawa ka rin ng trabahong pambahay. So mas madali po para sa akin siguro kung halimbawa work from home instead of work from office.
I prefer to work from home, so I don't have to get up as early. I can wear my pajamas all day. I can clean my house as I work. I can have my grandson over if he's sick. And I can keep an eye on my house so nobody breaks in.
Work from the home po, less expenses. You can save your money for gas and for food. Kasi po, you can just grab any food from your fridge.
I'd say home because I get like free meals at my house.
Work from home. Especially siguro kung may mga maliit akong anak, ganun. At least matitingnan mo pa yung anak mo at the same time. Tapos less pa sa transportation sa time ng pagpunta sa office maybe.
Working at home because it's more comfortable. You don't have to travel to your workplace, but also the same if you work alone just at home, you won't be like talking to your coworkers. But at the end, I prefer working at home.
Para po sa akin na may baby na maliit, mas preferred ko po yung work from home kasi mas naaalagaan ko po siya at minsan nakakapag-sideline pa po ako.